By the way, guys, with Christmas, it's just right around the corner. And if you're looking for something that's unique, something that's original, uh, we do have a whole entire line of t-shirts. T-shirts like this, where all the t-shirts are designed by yours truly and my wife. Anyway, right now as it is, we do have a promo that's going on. Where you get 10% off on your entire purchase from now until Christmas Eve. Go and just use the code right down below and check it out, guys. Thank you very much, and we do appreciate all your support. What's up, everyone? The Novice Angler here, back at my house. Unfortunately, it's another cold and blustery day today. Very windy outside. So I went up to the lake and I stepped outside. I said, nope, I'm not going fishing today. But anyway, yesterday we discussed about some of my more smaller, more compact survival kits that I have. Today, we'll be discussing something that's a little bit more complete. I'm sure many of you heard of the Altoid Tin Can Survival Kit. This is my version of it. Slightly modified, slightly improvised. Anyway, let's see what we have. The main kit that I carry with me whenever I go hiking or camping. This is your Altoid Tin Can survival kit. Of course, I modified it quite a bit. But what it is that this is a pouch, a molly pouch that I found on eBay. Again, I found it for only about $8. This is the funny thing is that this pouch, the most expensive thing that's in this pouch, is actually probably this knife. And again, with me, I don't think you need to pay a lot of money to get good quality. What I have here, this is the Kershaw Almar AM3. Got your 3-inch blade, extremely lightweight. Got your red spacers here, your deep carry pocket clip. This one is made out of HCR13 MOV, which is a softer seal. But I do admit, even when I was working in a warehouse and I was using this all day to break down boxes and everything else, I had no problems keeping an edge on it. It is a good knife, and the best part about it, I think this knife average maybe between $20 to $30 at the most. I picked it up for, I believe it was about $22. That one pouch, and I have my flashlight on this pouch. Cheap little flashlight. Picked it up for about $5, I believe. Well, anyway, let's go through the first pouch. In the first pouch, of course, I have my lighter and my Altoid survival kit. On the outside, I have it wrapped with a rubber band. And again, with this one, I did wrap it with some electrical tape. Okay. I haven't went through this kit in quite some time, so I'm not sure exactly all the things that I have that's inside. But let's check it out here. Okay, as when you open up the kit, right underneath the lid, I have your razor, your safety pins, paper clips, fishing hooks, an eye screw. I don't know what you can use it for. I just remembered when I was in summer camp, that was one of the things that he had in his kit. Now, I'm assuming you can probably use this if you want to make a cane pole or something. Couple nails and a needle. Of course, I have your striker for your matches right here. Let's go right inside. Once again, you have your pocket knife. This one I believe is called the Browning Ice. Just your standard little liner lock, or this one is actually a frame lock knife. Again, it's one of the most important tools that you can have, so I always include some sort of blade with me. Your lighter. My personal opinion is that if you want to carry your lighter in your survival kit, make sure that you have one that's a bright color, like this green. This way, if you drop it, even at night, you can probably see it. Your button compass. Little tiny keychain LED flashlight. Of course, you have your ferro rod, some duct tape. This thing I found is pretty cool. This is actually a diamond sharpener. It is a keychain diamond sharpener. This way you can sharpen your knives or hooks, what say you. Just a small amount piece of wire. Wire is always useful, and if you need to, you can always create your own snares with it. Tiny pencil. Again, your cotton ball that I dip in petroleum jelly. Great fire starter. A zip tie. Actually, it looks like I have 2 zip ties in here. Some more twine. Some strike anywhere matches that, again, I dip the heads of it in wax, and you just need to scrape it off when you're about to use it. Your trick handles. One wire saw. I took out the handles out of it. The way I see it is that if I need some handles, I can take off the key rings off my keys and just use them as handles. And look at this, just in case I get lucky while I'm out there in the woods. Some condoms. No, this is your non-lubricated condom. Is the nice thing about condoms, they expand up to about 5 times its size, so it's a great way to transport some water. Your signal mirror. I have your, that's about 3, or no, that's 2 water purification tablets. Again with a split shot. Your micro whistle. Neosporin. Single edge razor. And a couple band-aids right here. Tin foil. Coffee filters. Again, a lot of uses for coffee filters. One, of course, is, well, to make coffee. You can just put your coffee ground in there, tie a knot on it, and toss it into the pot. That's what we used to do. You can also use it as an emergency mask. You can use it to filter out water, but of course you still want to boil your water. There's still a lot of pathogens that's in there. You have your Fresnel lens. And Fresnel lens is a great way to start a fire. Just another source to start a fire with. And of course your little grocery plastic bag here. See what we have back here. This is the second pouch that we have. Let's go through the other pouch here. In it, I have my slingshot. I can tell you firsthand that I did manage to hunt some birds with it. Tourniquet. Also, you can use it to bind things as a cordage. Another extremely useful item to have, your multi-tool. This one is the Gerber dime. Has your needle nose pliers in it. You have your scissors. A couple flatheads. And a file. And of course, your blade. A miniature fishing kit. I have my line, my float, sinkers. I have some jigs in there. Oops. This is what I did. I have my line right here. This is just a piece of a sponge that I use. And I have a few hooks. Well, it's already a pre-made leader that's on there. But that's my little tiny fishing kit. About 25 feet of 550 paracord. If you're wondering what the 550 means, is if you pull out a paracord and look inside, there's actually 7 strands in there, and each one of those strands holds 50 pounds. And your outer shell right here holds 150, so that's where you get 100 or 550 pounds. And of course we have, once again, coffee filter, a full-size trash bag, tin foil, and of course your space blanket. And see what else. So that's the thing with me, folks. I tried to pack as much things as I can. Right here, I have a nice bright red bandana. Many uses for a bandana, including covering your face when there's dust, smoke. You can use it as an emergency filter. You can use it as a sling. And since it's a nice bright red, you can also use it as a way to signal. And right behind you is one of those cheap dollar ponchos that you can get at Dollar Tree. Anyway, folks, that's my kit. This is the kit that I carry with me every single time I want to go hiking or anything else. I hope that'll give you some ideas when you're creating your own kit. Anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, please give me a like. Leave your comments down below and consider subscribing, folks. Anyways, you guys take care. Talk to you later.